Mastering Inference, connecting personal experiences to predictions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today we are focusing on a very important reading comprehension strategy, making predictions. Specifically, we're going to explore the subtopic, using background knowledge. And even more specifically, we're looking at how to connect personal experiences to make predictions in reading. This will help us not only understand the text better but also make it more relatable and engaging. So, let's get started. Background knowledge is what you already know. It's the information and experiences you've collected throughout your life. Every conversation you've had, every book you've read, every movie you've watched. It all contributes to your background knowledge. This knowledge plays a crucial role in reading comprehension. It helps you understand the text's context, interpret the character's actions, and make accurate predictions. Connecting personal experiences and using your background knowledge can make the reading process more enriching and enjoyable. Predicting is guessing what will happen next in the text based on the information you have so far. It's a vital skill that aids comprehension by creating an expectation, which then helps you focus and remember the material better. When making predictions, we use clues from the text and our background knowledge. Our personal experiences, the information we've absorbed over time, contribute significantly to making these predictions more precise and accurate. Now let's dive deeper into how we can connect our personal experiences to make predictions. Let's say you're reading a story about a boy who has just moved to a new city and is about to start at a new school. If you've ever moved or started at a new school, you can connect your personal experience to predict how the boy might feel or what he might do next. Remember, your personal experiences are unique and can provide a rich reservoir of background knowledge. Use it to empathize with characters, understand situations, and make predictions. The more you practice, the better you'll become at making connections and predictions. Now it's time to put what we've learned into practice. Grab a book, read a passage, and try to make predictions based on your personal experiences. Don't worry if your predictions don't always match the outcome in the book. The goal is not to be correct every time but to engage with the text actively and improve comprehension. And that's it for today's session. I hope you now understand the power of connecting personal experiences when reading and making predictions. It's a wonderful tool that can bring a whole new dimension to your reading experience. So next time you're reading, remember to tap into your reservoir of personal experiences. Happy reading and see you in the next video.